In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Windows Update error code 0x80244010 on your Windows 11. So let's get started. The first thing that we can do is to click on the Start button and go to Settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click System. Scroll down and click Troubleshoot. Click Other Troubleshooters. Here we can find Windows Update with the Run button corresponding to it. Click the Run button to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. This will help you detect and spot the issue or problem that you are facing on your Windows. This will also give you suggestions and recommendations in fixing the issue. And this will automatically fix the issue for you, and then here it is. Just simply type your issue, or the troubleshooter will ask you for the problem that you're experiencing, so follow the on-screen instructions. After doing so, right click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Then the next thing that we can do is to reset the Windows Update component. So go to the Windows search bar and type cmd. Click Run as Administrator on the right pane. Click Yes for the user account control. Then here, just simply copy these commands, which will be posted in the description box below. Control V and hit Enter. Then type Exit, hit Enter. Then right click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. Then we can also perform the System File Checker scan. So go to the Windows search bar and type cmd. Click Run as Administrator. Click Yes. Simply type sfc space / scan now. Scan now is just one word and there is no space in between. Hit enter. The system scans will begin. So simply wait for the process to be 100% completed. And once this is completed, right click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. So that's it. And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.